afternoon or evening. I go by the name of Solo. Welcome back to Solo Driven. Now, one thing that I have been needing on this car are brakes. Now, we have here the complete bone stock factory brakes. And yeah, they're not really that good. Now, I have spoke before about doing the brakes, link right here. And I talked about how I felt about doing brakes. It's not really a mod that anyone kind of really puts as a priority. But I want to go ahead and do it now before we start modifying this motor and going for that 800 horsepower, 800, 700, I'm not really too sure yet. But I want to do it before I get carried away. So yeah, I really need them. And when I say really, I mean not really, but I really do need them. Really. So what I want to do is get the Cadillac big brake upgrade, and I was able to find a really good deal on this brake kit because right now they're on back order for about 3 to 4 weeks. I was able to find them through a buddy that has a buddy. So we're gonna go ahead and cop those from him. Let's get a cold start and go pick them up. Ooh. And that was a good one. There's nothing like the sound of a VA, baby. Okay, yeah. It's definitely time to get new tires. Let's just count this as 300. It's really 400 because we disconnected the battery when me and Alex were doing the valve cover. So that means we only have 100 more miles to go before we finally break the differential and we can stop driving it like a 80-year-old grandma. Maybe we can have some fun on the way back. Let's go. Check this out, guys. A 2014 Shelby GT500 in Grabber Blue, 500 miles. The interior on this car is immaculate. The steering wheel, the 6-speed manual, the Recaro seats. For anyone that doesn't know, what's making this car even more special nowadays is that this is the last year of the Shelby GT500 that Carroll Shelby was involved with. So these cars are becoming more special. 662 horsepower with a 5.8 liter supercharged V8. And yeah, this Grabber Blue is like, I believe, the least color that they made this year in. So yeah, very good looking car. 500 miles. A little bit more on the collector's end, but a beautiful car nonetheless. Hopefully we'll see this car a little bit more on the channel soon. Alright, we got everything that we need. Calipers, hardware, lines, spacers. Let's get it home. 3:29 on the clock, 70 more to go. Alright, so I have something special planned for the brake calipers. And what I want to do is I want to get something laser engraved in them to kind of cater to the OEM brake. And that will be, of course, the Cobra font. So since I'm down the street, I'm gonna go ahead and go to Gray's Laser Engraving, see if it's possible to do it, and if it is, we might get them engraved today. All right, so for those that do not know, I came here a while back when I was doing this custom steering wheel, and Gray was able to do the custom Cobra snake in the middle for the button, custom horn, and also the Cobra font on the bottom. So we're gonna see if he can do the brake rotors, I mean the calipers, so we can have some more custom stuff to the car.
See, that's the same size as Cadillac was.
That's gonna look so dope, man. I already know it. Right here on the caliper, it has the Cadillac logo on top, and underneath it, it says Brembo. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna leave that Brembo because I kind of like that. Put that Cobra on top of it. It's gonna look really good, and hopefully we can knock it out today. Let's do it. How many passes do you think we'll be able to get away with before it becomes?
I think we're going to need about 18 total passes. Okay. I'm going to stop after 12.
Okay.
And look at it.
Check it out. and just like that, we have successfully engraved Cobra on the brake calipers. I mean, it's perfect, literally perfect. This Cobra engraving is gonna pop so well. I'm thinking of doing black font with red calipers. Let me know in the comment section below what you think, what color combination I should go with, but that's what I'm thinking right now. Of course, all this Cadillac and the Brembo is gonna go away. I'll probably put the Brembo sticker under. Huge thanks to Gray's Engraving out here in San Antonio, Texas. If you need any type of engraving, contact them, link below. When we did the valve cover, we clocked out with 110 miles on the differential. We are now at 390 and we are officially broken in, baby. It's been a long time coming, but we're finally here. No more smoke, no more oil leak. The differential is officially broken in, so I think we can have a little fun. Oh, I missed this car. Oh, it's been in my possession, but y'all know what I mean. What a turnout. I mean, it was just last week that I had a flat tire, some other things happen off camera to the car, and now we got a good deal on the big brake kit, which is 3 to 4 weeks on back order, and I was able to get the calipers engraved last minute. I just happened to be down the street. I called them up and he was able to take care of me, so yeah, good turnout. Oh, and not to mention we broke the differential in finally. Here we go, finally. Looks pretty good. I think we're good to go. Alright, so now that we got those laser engraved, let's talk about a little what comes in the kit. So obviously the brake calipers, 4-piston brake calipers that come out of a Cadillac ATS, I believe. Also the brake lines with the hardware and the spacers and also the inlet inserts hardware. So this is all that comes with the kit. About $500 this will run you, a little over $500 this will run you, and this is going to be going, of course, up in the front. And as you can see, that's the original Cobra logo that I was going for. Hopefully when I install the big brake calipers, you'll be able to see them a little more, because obviously these wheels kind of obstruct the vision that you have on the brake calipers. So we'll see and find out. Now unfortunately we're not going to be able to install these in today's video, so tune in to next week's video where we're going to be powder coating them, test fitting them, and installing them. But anyways guys, that's gonna end today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and remember, be motivated, stay driven.